So, you just ran your dishwasher, and instead of clean dishes, you're staring at an error code. Bosch Dishwasher, E23. Annoying, right? But don't worry, I'll walk you through what it means and what you can do about it. The Bosch Dishwasher E23 error usually shows up when there is an electrical issue with the drain pump. That's the part responsible for getting rid of the dirty water after a cycle. When this error appears, it often means the pump by S&T getting the power it needs, or something inside it is damaged. Let's break this down. Over time, things like power surges, water leaks, or simple wear and tear can affect the electrical connection to the pump. In some cases, it's just a loose wire or connector. In others, the pump itself may be burnt out. If you're handy, here's what you can try. Turn off the power to the dishwasher. Safety first. Remove the bottom kick plate to access the drain pump. Check for visible damage or disconnected wires. If you have a multimeter, test the pump to see if it's getting voltage. If everything looks fine and the error is still there, it might be time to call in a technician. Sometimes, the internal control board is the problem, and that's not something most of us should mess with. As for cost, fixing a Bosch dishwasher E23 error can range anywhere from $100 to $250, depending on whether you need a new pump or just a simple electrical fix. Bottom line, the Bosch Dishwasher E23 code is telling you the drain pump S not working right, and an S likely electrical. Whether you try to fix it yourself or get help, dealing with it sooner rather than later is always the smart move.